Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel, DMS Electrical Service. Um, my channel is fairly new, so if you like any of my videos so far, I'm asking you to just go ahead to subscribe to my channel, and I really do appreciate the support. It's a new channel, and I'm just trying to build my channel. Um, Today I'm gonna be um installing a circuit for a window AC unit that's gonna be up there in that window. The outlet is gonna be up there, and I'm gonna be taking power from the panel that is somewhere here behind this wall. So I'm gonna be coming out with conduits and going up. Got my stuff here. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I hope I could provide some form of informative material for you guys, and there's something that you can take away from it. All right. All right. So this is where the panel is at. Um, so we got some two extra spaces here. That's good. I just need one space, and I'm gonna open the panel and see how what I'm gonna do to get out through the back of the panel. Okay, so this is the panel right here. Alright, so we have a couple of empty spaces. That's good. I only need one slot. So I'm gonna open the panel and see what we're dealing with inside. Alright, so the panel is open. That's how it is inside. And so now I'm looking. I may have to make a knockout for myself. So I may have to just make a knockout right here for my wire to come through. So that's what I'm gonna have to do to be able to get my wire in this panel. Okay, alright, so I was originally gonna make my hole down here, but I think it's better I do it here at the top of the panel right here. That way I think I'll be clearing the meter box on the other side, because the meter box is immediately behind this panel on the outside. So it's best if I go to the top right here. So that's where I'm gonna make my hole. Alright, so I had to put a sheet over the, this is actually a bed sheet that I carry around with me, over the breakers, so the chippings from the metal from here doesn't get inside the breakers. Alright, so I'm gonna make the hole now. Alright, so the hole is made. The cutting is on the bit, and you see the chippings, the metal chippings, is on the sheet, so I prevented it from getting to the breakers. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a pilot hole through there, so I could see where on the outside I'm gonna be ending up. Okay, now we have the pilot bit that we're gonna use to make a hole on the outside to see where we at. I'm trying to see if I could get the center. Somewhat the center right there, I think. See? Alright, so there's our hole. Maybe not the center, but it's gonna have to work. I'm gonna see where on the outside we at. Alright, so we're on the outside, and this is where our hole is. This is our pilot hole that we just made, and it's in the perfect spot, right where I want it to be. So now my pipe is gonna go this way and then up the side here, and we're gonna go somewhere up there. Alright, so see, the meter box is right behind the panel. Okay, so with the use of this bit, we opened up the hole, and this is where our conduit would be coming in. Alright, so the hole, this is from the outside, is not big enough for the conduit to go in. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna be using a step bit to open it up some more. Okay, so yep, we're good to go. That's what we want. I'm gonna be going this direction. I'm going across. I'm gonna cross over there. So that's good right there. All right, so I've made some measurements and made some cuts for the first set of pipes that I'm gonna be using. So this is gonna be going through the wall and going into the panel, and then I'm gonna have a reducing fitting going over here, and then this is gonna be going on this end, and that is gonna be going up to the side of the house. So I'm gonna just put these together and then let you see it. Alright, so this is our first section, and that is what we're looking like at the moment. Okay, so our conduit is in. You can see it's right here. Came out perfectly, just the way I wanted it to be. So now we can continue on the outside. Alright, so this is the room where the outlet is gonna go. It's gonna go underneath this window. This is the window where the unit is gonna be put in, and I already went ahead, made my mark out for where the box is gonna be going, and I'm gonna be using that to make my cutout. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that, get that done. Alright, so I've made the hole. Oh, perfect. Alright, so we're gonna make the hole for the wire to come in on the other side of the wall, inside here. Gonna make the hole for the conduit to come through. Okay, so this is where we at. Started putting the wire through the conduit. You can see it there. So originally I thought the outlet was gonna be in this room under that window, but it turns out that I'm gonna be under here, where you see the hole is right here. That's where it's supposed to be. So now I'm just gonna have to make a semicircle, go up and go that way. Alright, so I'm just like putting the wire in the pipe while running the pipe. So when I'm done running the pipe, the wire is already inside of the pipe. Alright, so a couple pieces of the pipes are assembled together, and we're right here. So I'm about to go put the piece on to go into the hole right there, and then that would be completed for the outside. Put on a couple of straps on the pipe, and then I'm good. Alright, so at this point all the external work is done. Pipe is completed. Wires are inside, so the wire is in the panel down here, and where the outlet is gonna be up there. So now we're gonna go on the inside and take care of those sections. Alright, so our wire is in, and time to put the box in and our outlet. Alright, so this end is completed, all done. So it's gonna go downstairs and terminate the wire in the panel, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so our wire, which came through here, is now terminated onto this breaker. So we're gonna turn it on, and then we're gonna check upstairs at the outlet to see if it works. Okay, so let's see. Good to go. That's it. We're live. Awesome. Okay, guys, so it's all done. Panel is closed up, and everything is good to go. Okay, guys, so job is all completed. Everything is good to go. So, if you enjoy watching this video, I'm asking you to just please subscribe, like, and share, so as to help me to grow my channel and continue to do these videos. Thank you. I'm out.